Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll make a review on Cosrx PHA Power Liquid. So this is a Korean brand that I've just came across recently, and a lot of people are saying very nice things about this brand. So I just had a thought to give it a shot, and today I'm going to tell you the difference between both physical and chemical exfoliation. So firstly, I was thinking of purchasing Pixie's Beauty's Glow Tonic, and we all know that how popular that brand is. The reason why I go for this rather than buying the Pixie's Glow Tonic is that it has salicylic acid. Since I have oily skin, salicylic acid is something that I would go for over anything. So that is the main reason why I end up not buying Pixie's Glow Tonic, since it has more glycolic acid concentration than the salicylic acid, and I really don't think that it has salicylic acid at all. So this is the main reason why I end up buying this, because it has salicylic acid, and I love salicylic acid because I have oily and acne prone skin. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's quite simple, I know. So the thing that I found really effective in this chemical exfoliant is that it contains at least 4% of naturally derived salicylic acid, which tends to get rid of all the dead skin cells that are trapped inside your pores. It will also help to reduce your blackheads, and it will also reduce the sebum production. Along with the salicylic acid, it also has many other skin boosting ingredients like niacinamide and sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate is same as the hyaluronic acid that you must have heard about. And what makes sodium hyaluronate different from hyaluronic acid is that sodium hyaluronate has lower molecular weight than the hyaluronic acid, due to which it makes it very easy to absorb into the skin. So let's just quickly discuss about physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation. So what comes under a physical exfoliation is when you use different types of scrubs and cleansing brushes in order to get rid of the dead skin cells of your skin or to deeply cleanse your skin. So if we talk about chemical exfoliation, in this we use various chemicals like AHAs, BHAs, salicylic acid and retinol in order to get rid of your dead skin cells or to deeply cleanse your skin from the inside, unlike physical exfoliation, which only focuses on the outside surface of your skin. So there are a lot of measures must be taken by the people before opting for chemical exfoliation. Is that they should never forget to wear sunscreen, since you are using a lot of chemicals directly onto your skin. So you must avoid any sort of chemical reaction or irritation on your skin. So in order to avoid that, you should always use a sunscreen if you are opting for a chemical exfoliation. So you can use this tonic post cleansing either with your hands, or you can also use a cotton pad for at least twice or thrice a week. I personally like to use it in a cotton pad. I only like to use it at night because I'm very sensitive to sun, and if you are also sensitive to sun like me, then you should definitely avoid using it in the AM routine. So I think it's quite a personal decision whether you want to go for Pixie Beauty's Glow Tonic or Cosrx PHA Power Liquid. I've gone for Cosrx one because I think it would do a lot more wonders for my skin than the Pixie's Beauty Glow Tonic, since it has salicylic acid. So the Cosrx BHA Power Liquid cost me around 1590 rupees, and I bought it from Nykaa. Pixie Beauty's Glow Tonic was also available on Nykaa for around 1400 approx for the same 100 ml quantity. So if you have used Pixie's Glow Tonic, then let me know in the comment section, and please do let me know that whether I should purchase it or not. So that's take us to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this review, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the